Hi guys, welcome to What's for Dinner. Tonight I made tomato basil soup, and it is just, you can see, I don't know if you can see the basil in there or not, let's see. Yeah, there's the basil, you can see it in there. But yeah, and it's just Progresso. I didn't make it homemade or anything, it's just canned Progresso tomato basil soup. And then we have some BLTs. Sorry if you see my camera strap hanging down. But we just have some homemade BLTs on toast, and those just have Duke's mayonnaise, which is, in my opinion, the best. And there's 5 slices of bacon on each one, and some tomato slices and some iceberg lettuce, and a little bit of salt and pepper on the tomatoes there. And, ooh, I'm about to lose my plate. Anyways, that's what's for dinner. And I don't know if I said or not, but it is March 19th, Sunday night. And tomorrow is the first day of spring. I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing some spring decorating tomorrow. I'll show you guys when I get it done. Not a lot, just a little bit. Anyways, I start my new job at the nursing home tomorrow. I'm going to be cooking at the nursing home. I start tomorrow my training. So wish me luck on that. And if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Have a good night.